Hey everybody, it's Leo here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese karaage style chicken tenders. This method makes the chicken tenders extra crunchy and much crunchier than you'll find with using flour by itself, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. To get started, I'm going to have a pound of chicken tenders. You can buy them that way, or you can cut the chicken tenders yourself from chicken breast. And to that, I'm going to add my seasoning, which is going to be 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of onion powder, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm just going to sprinkle that in over my chicken, and I'm going to mix it all together. And then once I've got it all mixed in together and make sure I've got everything coated, I'm going to then put it in the refrigerator and just let it sit for about 30 minutes to let the flavors marry together. Then in a bowl, I'm going to put 1 cup of potato starch. Now you want to make sure that you do get potato starch and not potato flour, because they are not the same. And you can see this is the kind that I get. So you want to make sure that you find potato starch. And then I'm just going to season it the same way. I'm going to use the exact same seasonings, which is a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, and mix that together. And that's what I'm going to use to coat the chicken with. Next up, I'm going to then put in a bowl 2 eggs, a cup of milk, and I'm going to beat that together because I'm going to double dip the chicken. And first, I'm going to put it into the potato starch, cover that, and I'm going to shake off the excess. And after I've got the excess shaken out, I'm going to then dip it into the egg and milk mixture, and then dip it back over into the potato starch mixture. And after I do that, and then I'm going to shake off the excess of that and put it on a cookie sheet to rest. And then I'm just going to finish off the rest of these and just doing the exact same method that I did with the first one. And once you're all done, put them on the cookie sheet and then let them sit there for about 15 minutes to allow all of the potato starch to get soaked in with the moisture of the egg and milk mixture. Now we're ready to fry, and this is where the magic of the karaage really happens. So you want to make sure that you're putting them in one at a time, and I've got them in at about 355 degrees, and I'm not overcrowding the fryer. So I'm going to just fry them for about 3 minutes, and I'm not going to cook them all the way. So I'm just going to cook them for 3 minutes, and once they're done, I'm then going to take them out of the fryer, and then I'm going to just put them on a cookie sheet to rest. And I'm going to leave them on the cookie sheet for about 30 minutes to cool down. And that's going to be an important step. Just leave them there and let them cool down. And then I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of them and do the same thing. I'm just going to put them in one at a time and then just fry them for about 3 minutes. And once that 3 minutes is up, I'm going to take them out and put them on the cookie sheet and then let them rest as well. So after I've dropped each one back into the fryer for another 3 minutes, they come out very crispy, very crunchy, and you're going to see just how crispy and crunchy it is, and I'm going to let you hear it for yourself.